Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So in this class I will teach you chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Okay, so before I start with the topic shapes of this chapter, first I will teach you what are the two types of shapes, open shape and closed shape, in which this chapter is talking about. So opened figure or opened shape is that shape whose sides do not touch. Means sides do not touch means, see this figure, you can see three lines, but all these three lines are not touching each other, है ना? There's a gap here. In all the three lines there's a gap, so these sides are not touching each other. That okay, so see this one, it is a shape of a circle, but here the circle is not complete, है ना? These 2 points are not touching each other, so that is why it is open figure or open shape. These two figures are open shape. What is closed figure? Closed figure whose sides do touch. What does that mean? All the sides touch each other. If you see this rectangle, all the sides are closed and all the sides are touching each other, है ना? So that is why it is a closed shape. This one is open shape. ठीक है, क्लोज मतलब जो हर साइड क्लोज हो, कोई भी शेप हो जो बंद हो, कहीं से भी ओपन ना हो. ओके, एंड ओपन शेप कौन सी होती है? जो कहीं से भी एक साइड से भी ओपन हो. सो देर आर मैनी शेप्स विच आई हैव showing you right now. You can see. So I'll discuss only few, rest all you have to do for homework. Okay, so if I just the figure which I'm touching right now, pointing right now, this is an open shape. Why? Because these sides are not touching each other, whereas this figure which I'm pointing right now, this is closed figure, closed shape. Why? बिकॉज ये पूरा कवर है, क्लोज्ड है, कहीं से भी खुला नहीं है, एंड ऑल द साइड्स आर टचिंग ईच अदर. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज क्लोज्ड. What about this one, children? What about this one? This is an opened figure, है ना? Open shape है. Why? Because all the sides are not touching each other. So that this is open, this is closed, and this is open. Okay, so rest all figures which I have not discussed, that you have to draw it in your notebook, and you have to name whether it is a closed shape or whether it is an open shape. Okay, so see this, these are also many figures. If I am pointing the stars, the seventh figure which I am pointing right now, so this is a closed shape. Okay, discussing only two, rest all you have to draw it in your notebook and name them, whether it is a closed shape or it is an open shape. So this is closed shape, है ना? Because from all the sides it is closed as well as it is touching each other. All the points are touching each other and it is closed. That is why it is closed shape. Whereas this one, the last one, it is opened, है ना? यहाँ से open है, खुला है. So that is why it is open figure. Okay, so I hope the open shape and the closed shape topic is clear. Rest all figures, you have to draw it in your notebook and name them, whether it is a closed one or an opened one. Okay. So this is your question. So question number 1 is, look at the following matchstick shapes and answer the following questions. Okay, A1 is total sides in the above figure are. Okay, total sides in the above figure are. What you have to do is you have to count the sides. So I've marked it with pencil. If you can see, it's that is good. If you cannot see, just take the pencil out and mark each side. I'm starting from here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 sides we have. So here you will write 8. Whether it is a closed or open shape, you can see it is closed from all the sides. So it is closed. Total number of match points are, again you have to count these points. Okay, these points are 8 in numbers. So you can just count it and then you can write 8. If the figure is cut into two parts, then it is symmetrical or not. Symmetrical means when you will cut it into half, then दोनों जो part है, leftover part है, whether it is equal or not. If it is equal, then it means it is symmetrical. अगर एक side बड़ा है और एक side छोटा है, तो it is not symmetrical. Okay, so कोई भी shape आपको दे दे, उसको आपको बीच से cut करना है. Okay, if you just take a scale and a pencil and take a scale and a pencil and just join this point and this point. Okay, join this point and this point, just make a straight line over here, okay, over here, just make a straight line and see if this part and this part is equal or not. If it is equal, then it is symmetrical. So it is equal, that is why you can write yes, it is symmetrical. So let's move on to our question number 2. Write close or open for the following figures. I have discussed already what are closed, what is open figure, है ना? So it is closed. We'll discuss it faster here because I had already explained you in beginning. So this is closed figure. Here there's an opening, so that is why open figure. Here again there's an opening, है ना? खुला है यहाँ से तो बंद है, but this figure from here it is open. That is why open figure. Okay, next page, page number 9. Okay, this one. See here, there's an opening. That is why it is an open figure. This is closed from all the sides. That is why it is a closed figure. This is closed. Circular shape hai. All the circles are closed. That is why it is a closed figure. Let's move on to our question number 3. Mark the biggest angle in the following figures with red color. Okay, so topic angle. So let's just discuss what is angle and what are the different types of angles, and we will start with our questions. Okay, so this is angle topic. Carefully children, very important topic. So further also this topic will help you in your further classes. So very important topic, listen carefully. So angle, what is an angle? See, मैंने यहाँ पे एक drawing बनाई है. Okay, can you see this A point, B point and C point? I've made a shape. Okay, so angles, what is angle is? Angle consists of two arms and a vertex. Okay, so here you can see A, B and C. एक डायग्राम मैंने बनाया, एक फिगर मैंने बनाया है जहाँ पे एक लाइन यहाँ से यहाँ तक बनाई है, एक लाइन यहाँ से यहाँ तक बनाई है ना? And it says angle consists of two arms. So यहाँ पे two arms है. BA is one arm I have mentioned here. BC is another arm I have mentioned here. I have written here arm. Okay, and a vertex. So two points joining at a point. So two of these arms, where two arms join at one single point, it is called as vertex. ठीक है, two arms जो join कर रहे हैं one single point में, that is called as vertex. ठीक है, जैसे BA and BC, it is joining at which point? B point, है ना? AB and BC, sorry, BA and BC is joining at B point. यहीं से दो लाइन जा रही है. So this meeting point is a common point for both A and C. So इसको बोलेंगे हम vertex. Okay, I have written here, I have put an arrow and written here vertex. Okay, so next important line is, it is the degree measure between two arms having a common vertex. So it is the degree measure. Okay, so between two arms. So two arms के बीच में ये जो part है, ये जो part जहाँ पे हम pointing right now, that is a common vertex. So that is, वहाँ पे मैंने I have drawn one arc. So you have to draw one arc between these two arms. You have to draw one arc, and that is known as angle. Okay, so the two arms, you can just see, it is the two arms and you have a common vertex, and that is the degree. The common vertex is B point and that is what your degree is. यहाँ पे आप degree calculate करेंगे. And this arc which I have drawn here, that is your angle. Okay, so now if I've told you what is angle, there are various types of angles also. Okay, so what is it? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. And there are multiple angles more. There are more angles also. So for 5th standard, this much is important. So let's just discuss only these. Okay, first one. Here, first one is acute angle. So an angle whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay, so for solving angle thing, you need to have this. Okay, this is known as protractor, or it is also known as D scale. है ना, D shape का है ये. So if you tilt this diagram, you can see D shape का है. So that is why it is also known as D scale, but mathematically we will say protractor. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing about angles. Okay, so acute angle, so any angle whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. मतलब तो I'll show you in protractor itself. यहाँ से देर आर नंबर स्टार्टिंग है ना, यू कैन सी 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 90 इज हियर, मिडिल में है 90, एंड देन 100 110 120 130 140 150 160 170 180. सो इन द डी दिस स्केल 180 डिग्री तक आप मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखना आप, यहाँ पे भी लिखे हुए हैं, डाउन साइड में भी डिग्रीज लिखे हैं एंड अप साइड भी डिग्रीज लिखे हैं. सो वाई इट इज़ लाइक दिस, बिकॉज शेप्स कभी आपके लेफ्ट साइड से होते हैं, कभी राइट साइड से होते हैं, है ना. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट द शेप विच इज़ जो भी शेप है, जो भी फिगर है, जिस भी साइड में, वहाँ पे आप ये प्रोट्रैक्टर रख के मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाई इट इज़ इन फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. वो आपको पता चलेगा कैसे कैसे एंगल्स होते हैं, कौन से साइड से होते हैं. सो यू विल कम टू नो. So here, so we were talking about acute angle, right? So acute angle, can you see here, point 0, this is 0 degree, and this is 90, this is 90 degree. So any angle which is starting from 0, 0 से ऊपर की डिग्री होगी, whether it can be 9 degree, 5 degree, 15, 20, 30, 35, 39, 49, 56, 55, जो भी डिग्रीज है, 0 से 90 के बीच में जितने भी नंबर्स आते हैं ना, 0 to 90, so those degrees will be known as acute angle. So any angle which is between 0 to 90 degree is known as acute angle. Clear? Okay, next one was obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angle. ठीक है, क्या बोला पहले, क्या था, 0 से 90 डिग्री के बीच में होता है. एंड acute angle, obtuse angle क्या है, 90 से 180 डिग्री के बीच में होता है. ओके, सो आई शो यू इट इन protractor. This is 90 degree and this is 180 degree. So any angle between from 90 degree to 180 degree, between all these angles, those will be considered as obtuse angle. 90 से बड़ा, for example 99 degree, 95 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 144 degree, any degree which is there between 90 से 180 के बीच में जितने भी numbers हैं, उनके बीच के वो डिग्रीज आपके हो जाएंगे obtuse angle. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी आई हैव ड्रॉन 140 डिग्री है. ठीक है, सो 90 से बड़ा है 140, 180 डिग्री से छोटा है 140, सो इट इज़ obtuse angle. The third one is right angle. Right angle is very simple, an angle whose measure is 90 degree. Okay, so that is simply right angle. So if I show it on your protractor, then see any angle which is straight 90. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि 90 से छोटा होगा, इवन 89 है या 91 है तो भी राइट एंगल नहीं होगा. इट शुड बी परफेक्ट 90 डिग्री. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एकदम परफेक्ट एल शेप का आना चाहिए, देन इट विल बी योर राइट एंगल. सी परफेक्ट एल है, कैपिटल एल शेप का है, इट इज़ 90 डिग्री. ऑल्सो see this figure. Okay, there are two lines, one line this, one line this. So the two lines that are perpendicular to each other makes 90 degree. Also आप याद रखना, हम हर डिग्री को आर्क बनाते हैं. I told you while explaining you angle, I told you here that we make an arc here. एक आर्क बनाते हैं, एक सर्कल शेप में, नॉट सर्कल शेप में, एक आर्क बनाते हैं थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड शेप में. सो दैट इज़ एंगल. बट व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग 90 डिग्री और व्हेन 90 डिग्री इज शोन, या व्हेन 90 डिग्री इज शोन, you will denote it with two lines. You can see, I am zooming in, you can see I have mentioned, ये एक छोटा सा बॉक्स ही बन गया है, यहाँ पे छोटा सा बॉक्स बन गया ना. सो देयर इज एन एंगल, आई हैव जस्ट मेड टू लाइन्स, एक ये लाइन बनाया, एक ये लाइन बनाया, एंड देयर इज अ स्क्वायर शेप्ड फिगर. सो दैट इज़ वाई 90 डिग्री होता है तो यू डोंट हैव टू कर्व द लाइन. जैसे 140 में हमने कर्व बनाया है, 130 में कर्व बनाया है, बट वन 190 इज देयर, यू विल मेक टू लाइन्स ओवर हियर. ओके, सॉरी, you will make two lines over here. ठीक है, so two perpendicular lines, smaller lines you will make, and that will denote as 90 degree. Okay, so I hope acute, obtuse and right angle is clear. Next, see I have shown you how to measure it with protractor. Okay, so this is D. 30 डिग्री जो मैंने यहाँ पे बनाई है उसको measure कैसे करते हैं वो मैंने यहाँ पे आपको दिखाया है. So here ये जो लास्ट लाइन है ना, दिस वन आई एम जस्ट पॉइंटिंग वेयर. सो हियर द स्ट्रेट लाइन, देयर यू हैव टू कीप दिस लाइन ऑफ द प्रोट्रैक्टर. जब पे 0 डिग्री है ना, वहाँ पे ये लाइन के ऊपर आपको डी रखनी है, 0 डिग्री के एग्जैक्ट ऊपर. एंड देन यू कैन सी द एरो हियर विच आई हैव मेंशन्ड. सी यहाँ पे 30 लिखा है एंड ये एरो भी बनाया हुआ है. सो दिस इज 30 डिग्री. सो लाइकवाइज आपको एग्जैक्टली इस पॉइंट पे, जो इधर पे, इस पॉइंट पे आपको डी रखना है, स्ट्रेट रखना है. एंड ये जो लाइन है वहाँ पे आपको 0 डिग्री आना चाहिए. इन दैट लाइन 0 डिग्रीज है. एंड देन यू हैव टू सी which arm is this. So you have to calculate this arm, the upper arm. So you will get 30 डिग्री. आप उल्टा भी मेजर करेंगे, यहाँ पे भी रख के मेजर करेंगे तो भी आपका 30 डिग्री आएगा. बट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि 0 डिग्री पे एक लाइन टच है. एंड देन यू विल सी द डायग्राम्स. Okay, the next angle, obtuse angle also I have mentioned here. See how I have kept up my protractor. In the 0 degree I have mentioned 0 degree जो lower line थी, this line. Here I have kept my protractor here in exact this point over the 0 degree. ठीक है, see here in this line, in this line I have put my protractor exactly over the 0 degree, and you can see where is the arrow here. So if we count from 0, 90, where is it? 140. 140 में arrow खत्म हो गया है, and that is why this angle is 140 degree, and it is more than 90 degree. That is why it is an obtuse angle. ठीक है. Straight away 90 degree maybe I am showing you how I have kept my protractor. See, I have kept the D here, protractor here. So exactly over the 0 degree I have kept my protractor, and this over angle, in this angle I have kept it, and over the 0 degree, the lowest line, lower line I have kept over the 0 degree. And then you have to see where is the arrow. The arrow is exactly over the 90 degree. Can you see? बीचों बीच है ये arrow. So that is how you have to keep the protractor. Okay, don't make any mistakes. So students, this video is getting very long. So what I'm doing is I have explained you what are the closed and closed shape, open shape, and what is the angle. And I'll explain you 3 more angles, and then I'll stop the video. And in my next video I'll be solving the question and answers, okay, of your workbook. So we'll start with your next angle, which is what? After right angle, straight angle. So straight angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. Okay, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree means straight line. Okay, so when there is straight line, it is 180 degree, and उसको बोलेंगे हम straight angle. See, straight line है, and this is forming a 180 degree. If I show it on your protractor, see here, in the end it is 180 degree, and you can see semicircle over here, semicircle बन रहा है. So it is 180 degree, forming 180 degree, and it is known as straight angle. Next is reflex angle. Okay, an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. So what is it? Reflex angle. See, I have drawn a figure here. ठीक है, एक figure बना है. So children, please listen carefully. We are not talking about this angle जहाँ पे where I am pointing, no. We are not talking about the smallest angle. हम इस एंगल के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम उल्टा पीछे की तरफ से जहाँ पे मैंने एक ड्रॉ किया है, देखो एक सर्कल बनाया है, नॉट फुली सर्कल, बट एक सर्कल बनाया है हियर, दिस वन. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एंगल. सो दैट एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, 180 डिग्री से बड़ा है एंड 360 डिग्री से कम है. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 280 डिग्री अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. आई हैव नॉट मेड करेक्टली, सो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली होगा आसपास 280 डिग्री के. सो दिस इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ओके, the next is sixth, last one is complete angle. So an angle whose measure is 360 degree is known as complete angle. तो कोई भी angle हो that if whose measurement is 360 degree means complete circle form हो रहा है, so it will be 360 degree. For example, if I'm running, okay, मैं भाग रही हूँ एक circular park में, I start with this part of the park. This is park, the circle, this is the circle, this is the park. So I started running from here of the circle, पूरे park का पूरा चक्कर लगाया, and I stopped at this point itself. यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया एंड यहीं पे जाके ख़त्म किया. मैंने क्या किया? फुल कंप्लीट सर्कल का चक्कर लगाया. सो दैट मीन्स फुल 360 डिग्री कंप्लीट एंगल मैंने भागा है. ओके, I ran a complete angle. I ran a complete circle. So that makes 360 degrees. So a point where I started and the same point where I ended. 360 complete angle. What is the complete angle? The point where I started and the point where I ended. The same point. That makes an angle, complete angle. That makes a 360 degree angle. Okay. So these are the certain angles which you should know in 5th standard. What is it? 3 angles. What is it? Acute, which is okay. I'm giving you one shortcut also. ठीक है? L shape को याद रखो. L shape को याद रखो सिर्फ. ठीक है? कैपिटल L है 90 डिग्री. कैपिटल L से छोटा है, मीन्स ये जो L है ना आपका, इससे छोटा है. यहाँ से ये लाइन जुड़ रही है, यहाँ से जुड़ रही है, यहाँ से जुड़ रही है, या कहीं से भी यहाँ से जुड़ रही है, तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? अक्यूट एंगल. छोटा L से कोई भी शेप छोटा आ रहा है, सो इट इज़ अक्यूट एंगल. L से बड़ा शेप बन रहा है, इस तरफ की तरफ देखो. L से छोटा था ये 30 डिग्री, ये L से छोटा है ना, इसलिए ये 30 डिग्री, ये अक्यूट एंगल है. L से बड़े एंगल बन रहे हैं, ये L से बड़े एंगल बन रहे हैं. यहाँ से जहाँ मैं पॉइंट कर रही हूँ वहाँ पे अगर लाइन होते तो वो आपका ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल होता. ठीक है? L याद रखो 90 डिग्री राइट एंगल. L से छोटा है देन इट विल बी योर अक्यूट. L से लार्जर है देन इट विल बी योर ऑब्ट्यूस. एंड रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, the larger angle which is more, straight angle बताया था. Straight angle will be straight line forming 180 degree. Reflex angle that is this angle 90 डिग्री के उल्टा साइड से. आप देखो यहाँ से सर्कल बना होता ऑपोजिट साइड से, then it will be your reflex angle. Complete angle, the angle which from the point you start and from this to the same point where you end, it makes your complete angle, मतलब complete circle. So okay children, so that is your explanation of the angle topic. So I'm stopping here and I'll start a fresh topic where I'll be solving the question and answer from your workbook of the same chapter, shapes and angles. Okay, so watch this video after this one. Thank you.